6 perfect leg exercises for beginners at home. Exercise 1. Goblet Squat. This is a powerful bodyweight exercise that mainly targets the quadriceps. It also activates the glutes, hamstrings, and core. Holding your hands in front keeps your chest up and mimics the goblet squat form. Slow, controlled movement increases time under tension, which is key for muscle growth. It's great for building leg strength, balance, and improving your squat technique. Exercise 2. Forward Lunges. Forward lunges are a great exercise that primarily targets your quadriceps, the muscles in the front of your thighs. They also activate the glutes, hamstrings, and core, making this a powerful lower body exercise. Lunges improve leg strength, stability, and balance. To perform it, step forward with one leg, lower your hips until both knees are bent at about 90 degrees, then push back to the starting position. Keep your chest up and core engaged for proper form and better results. Exercise 3. Romanian Deadlift. This is one of the best exercises for targeting the hamstrings, helping you build strength and flexibility in the back of your thighs. It also engages the glutes, lower back, and core. This exercise improves posture, hip mobility, and overall posterior chain strength. To perform, stand tall with a slight bend in your knees. Hinge at the hips, lower the weights while keeping your back flat, then drive through your heels to return to standing. Exercise 4. Jump Lunges. This is a perfect exercise that primarily targets your quadriceps, helping you build explosive leg strength and definition. It also activates the glutes, hamstrings, calves, and core, making it a full lower body and cardio workout. To perform, start in a lunge position, jump up explosively, switch legs midair, and land softly into the opposite lunge. Keep your chest up, core tight, and land with control. Jump lunges boost athletic power, burn fat, and improve balance and coordination. Exercise 5. Sumo Squat. Sumo squats mainly target your inner thighs, also known as the adductors. They also work the glutes, quadriceps, and hamstrings, making it a great lower body sculpting move. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width, toes pointed out. Lower your hips down and back, keeping your chest up and knees tracking over your toes. Push through your heels to stand back up. Sumo squats are excellent for improving hip flexibility and building leg strength. Exercise 6. Calf Raises. Calf raises are one of the best exercises for targeting the calf muscles, especially the gastrocnemius and soleus. These muscles are responsible for pushing your body upward when walking, running, or jumping. One of the biggest benefits is stronger lower legs and improved balance. To perform, stand tall, slowly lift your heels off the ground, hold at the top, then lower back down with control.